So if you've ever used Claude Code to try and create a slide deck, you would know that it's not the best at it. But lucky for you today, I found this new GitHub repo that hosts a new skill that helps us create absolutely beautiful slide decks that are fully editable, and you can even put your own style so that it can be branded towards your brand. This skill is super easy to use and provides amazing results. So if you ever need to create a bunch of slides for a presentation, or you're teaching a class or something like that, I highly recommend checking out this skill and watching this entire video. So let's get straight into the video. So this slideshow right here was actually created using the skill. So this skill is called frontend-slides, and I'm gonna put the GitHub repo in the description so that you guys could try it for yourselves. So it's basically a Claude Code skill that turns make me a deck into a guided workflow, content discovery, visual style picking, and zero dependency HTML output. So when you just write make me some slides using Claude Code, what you'll usually get is some AI slop, usually always using the same style. And we know that AI generated slop by now. So how does it work? It works in 6 phases. So first it goes into detect mode, then it goes into content discovery, then style discovery, which you can also put your own style. Then it generates it, then it converts it and delivers it, and then you have the option to share or export. So the skill picks 3 presets matching your chosen mood, so you can even pick which style you want to go with. Every slide fits all viewports, so it's perfectly optimized for any kind of screen you're showing it on. Also, like we did say before, zero dependencies. So you don't need any dependencies. You can just do all this with a single HTML file that gets downloaded straight into your folder. Works on any browser, any device, fully editable, and I'll show you all that in the demo. So without just using a default LLM deck, you get generic slop, you get slides that scroll or overflow, you describe a design in words badly, it's heavyweight framework dependent, you can't edit in the browser, and it's not easy to share, and you get that forgettable AI shaped output. But using this skill, we have 12 curated distinctive style presets, we have a viewport locked at 100 VH. You react to 3 visual previews. So like I said, it gives you a bunch of options and then you can pick. You have inline editing plus Vercel deploy, and you can even turn it into a PDF. And this is fully customly crafted, not using a template shape. So this is a little preview of what you can create. And like I said, it's fully editable. So let's say I go in the top left here, you see this button pop up, and if I click, as you can see, I can literally just add text, I can remove it, and I can fully customize the text on this entire deck. Now, this is the repo right here, made by Zara. It's called frontend-slides, and as you can see, it's a pretty straightforward repo. You just clone it and then you're able to use the skill. So I'll show you guys another quick demo of a slide I did while I was playing around with it. So I created this slide, for example, if we were trying to teach a class about photosynthesis, I asked it to make it super simple and short just for this demo. But as you can see, it looks really good. It has all the information, it's written really well, it looks super clean, and it's a very good reference point to use to explain anything that you're trying to explain. Makes it much easier to understand concepts and to teach concepts. You can even use this to basically teach yourself things if you're more of a visual learner. But as you can see, it all looks really clean. It even has animated elements that moves, so it's really cool. As you can see here, this is that minimalist kind of design. We have the icons it created over here, and that's basically the whole slide. Very clean. I'm super impressed. Let me show you guys how you can create your own slides. So I got my best friend Antigravity open right here, and on the left here I just have that GitHub repo cloned, and I have Claude Code open right here. So super simple, I'm just gonna tell Claude Code to create me a slide. Can't be any easier. So can you create me a slide describing how AI agents work? Also give me that 3 style preview so I can pick which style I want. Make sure to use the skills provided in the repo. So we're just gonna send that off. All right, so it just finished running the first slide to show me the styles. So it gave me 3 styles. So this is one of the styles right here. As you can see, super clean, nice font. It looks really good. Let's check the other style. This one's nice too. It has that white background, minimalist kind of style. And then let's see the last one it gave us. All right, this is that neon kind of agentic futuristic style right here. So I think I'm gonna go with, let's just go with style B for this one. So once you pick your style, you go straight back into Antigravity, and we're gonna tell it to pick style B, and then it's gonna start generating each slide, and I'll show you guys what it gives me after that. All right, so it just finished running, and now we have all the slides. As you can see, it looks super clean. There is a little formatting issue here. The line is a little close to the text, but all that is super easily fixable. So let's take a look through the slides. So what is an agent? As you can see, plain LLM is just one question, one answer. The agent, a goal, a loop, real tools. All the information is there. It's super clean. It's even animated while we're going through it. You can see that this is a professional looking slide deck that would normally take you a long time to create, but using this skill, you're able to make it super quick, and it's just super useful to have this in your pocket in case you do need to create a slide deck. The whole theme is very consistent, and I think that it works really well. So either way, guys, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys this cool skill I've found. Make sure to go ahead and play around with it. If you guys do need to create slides, I highly recommend using this. Also, if you did learn something new and enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a subscribe. It's greatly appreciated since I am a newer channel. Also, if you do want to learn more about AI, I do have a school, first link in the description. You guys can go ahead and check that out. I've been working really hard recently to make an AI builder bootcamp. That's in progress, so I'm going to be launching that very soon. Either way, hope y'all have a great rest of your day, and see y'all in the next one. Peace!